Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on the Dayforce app. First, locate and tap the Dayforce app icon on your mobile device. It's usually a blue square with a white D. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the app to load correctly. Then, log in using your unique credentials, including your username and password. This ensures secure access to your personal timekeeping information, getting you ready for your shift in just a few moments. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to find the time clock feature. Navigate to the main dashboard or home screen within the app. Look for a prominent time clock or punch button, which is often centrally located for easy access. Tapping this button will take you directly to the time clock interface, where you can record your work hours with just 1 or 2 taps. Now that you're on the time clock screen, it's time to perform your punch. Before tapping, quickly confirm that your current status is set to clock in. This is crucial for accurate record keeping. Then, simply tap the large punch or clock in button. You'll receive a confirmation message almost immediately, letting you know your start time has been successfully recorded. It's a quick and efficient process. After clocking in, it's always a good idea to quickly verify your entry. Review your recent punches to ensure your clock-in time is accurately displayed on the screen. If you encounter any issues, like an error message, first check your internet connection and try again. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to contact your supervisor or HR department for assistance. They can help resolve any discrepancies quickly, ensuring your time is always correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.